It doesn't matter if Alex Pretty had a gun. Federal agents killed Alex Pretty, who was reportedly armed and dangerous. But a thorough analysis reveals he was unarmed when shot. Protests have ensued in Minneapolis following the incident. Zoran Mamdan's first NYC snowstorm becomes a major governing test. New York Mayor Zoran Mamdani faces his first major test as he prepares to navigate a significant snowstorm. Decisions on school closures and infrastructure management could significantly impact public perception. The storm could affect 2/3 of the American population. The Great E-Bike crackdown has begun. New Jersey imposes heavy restrictions on e-bike ownership, sparking concern over growing injuries and fatalities among teenagers. Investors' expectations from Union Budget 2026. Government urged to simplify policies for accredited investors in Union Budget 2026, with focus on F&Os due to their riskier nature. Angel investing is key to capital formation. Microsoft handed the government encryption keys for customer data. Microsoft complied with an FBI request to hand over encryption keys for customer data related to an investigation into COVID unemployment fraud in Guam, bucking the usual tech industry resistance towards such requests. Lawmaker to launch new party ahead of February 8 election. Opposition lawmaker Kazuhiro Haraguchi plans to launch a new political party prior to the February 8 general election, opting out of the new centrist alliance. Pentagon to reduce its role in deterrence of North Korea. Pentagon to reduce its role in deterring North Korea, shifting focus to homeland defense. South Korea may assume primary responsibility, potentially raising concerns in Seoul. Bari Weiss's CBS News won't even condemn Israel for killing a CBS contributor, ZEO, Substack. CBS Evening News anchor Tony Dokupal promotes Israel's narrative following the killing of a Palestinian journalist, causing internal backlash. Health officials say no evidence of mystery brain illness in New Brunswick, BBC. Health officials in New Brunswick have found no evidence of the recently reported mystery brain illness. Ongoing research suggests possible diagnosable illnesses as an alternative explanation. Metro Atlanta under ice storm warning as region braces for winter weather, wade.org. Ice storm warning issued for Metro Atlanta, potentially causing widespread power outages and treacherous travel conditions. Ice has been entering homes without judicial warrants since last summer, sources say, NBC News. ICE reportedly entered homes without judicial warrants since last summer, according to administration officials. Goldman Sachs boosts CEO Solomon's pay 21% to $47 million, Bloomberg. Goldman Sachs raises CEO Solomon's pay by 21% to $47 million, reflecting a successful year with soaring shares and reaffirmed leadership. How to prepare for rare, dangerous ice expected from this weekend's storm, Axios. Prepare for potentially hazardous ice from this weekend's storm, expected to impact regions from Texas to New England. TR-49 is interactive fiction for fans of deep research rabbit holes, Ars Technica. Explore a captivating sci-fi tale through the dense narrative deduction game TR-49. Perfect for fans who love deep research rabbit holes. No. 17 Alabama plans to play 7-footer Charles Bediako, who turned pro in 2023, against Tennessee, AP News. 7-foot pro Charles Bediako, who gave up college eligibility in 2023, will play for Alabama against Tennessee this weekend. Is China quietly winning the AI race? BBC. Big US firms and startups are increasingly partnering with Chinese tech companies. raising questions about China's growing dominance in the AI industry. Bruce Arians addresses Mike Evans. Lavonte David retiring, JoeBucksFan.com. Buccaneers legends Mike Evans and Lavonte David's playing futures addressed by coach Bruce Arians. Businesses close. Minnesotans to stay home Friday in protest of ICE, Star Tribune. Hundreds of businesses in Minnesota to close on January 23 as part of a statewide protest against ICE, demonstrating community unity against federal immigration action in the Twin Cities. Elon Musk's fortune hits record $788 billion as Tesla spikes 4%. Forbes. Elon Musk's net worth reaches a record $788 billion as Tesla gains 4%, closing in on the $800 billion mark. Epic and Google have a secret $800 million Unreal Engine and Services deal, The Verge. Epic and Google in $800 million deal for Unreal Engine and Services, which may influence antitrust settlement talks. Karnataka Congress video hails brand DK Shivakumar as power tussle with Siddaramaiah simmers. Karnataka Congress highlights Deputy CM DK Shivakumar as brand amid power tussle with CM Siddaramaiah, revealing internal party strife despite high command decisions. Panic to relief. Virat Kohli's Instagram returns after brief blackout. Virat Kohli's Instagram account briefly disappeared, causing panic among his 274 followers. The account reappeared without explanation. Fans seek answers about the unexplained outage. Maingear's latest retro gaming desktop takes you back to the Quake era. Maingear's new retro gaming desktop transports gamers back to the Quake era, offering a nostalgic twist on modern gaming. Give your problems and passwords to Moltbot, then watch it go viral. Virtual assistant Moltbot, formerly Claudebot, offers a futuristic solution to manage problems, but raises security concerns for early adopters. Everything you need to know about viral personal AI assistant Claudebot. Now Moltbot. Viral personal AI assistant Moltbot, formerly known as Claudebot, has taken the internet by storm in just weeks. Here's what you should know about this rising AI star before hopping on the bandwagon. Fashion rental app by Rotation and Uber partner to help deliver ski clothing. Uber partners with fashion rental app by Rotation to provide ski clothing delivery, offering a sustainable skiing solution. Cloudflare stock pops on viral Moltbot. Here's how a cybersecurity company became the newest AI winner. Cloudflare stock surges on viral Moltbot, as the cybersecurity company emerges as the latest AI winner in the era of autonomous personal assistants. TikTok settles to avoid major social media addiction lawsuit. TikTok avoids major social media addiction lawsuit with settlement, marking a significant step in addressing user well-being. TikTok settles social media addiction lawsuit ahead of trial. TikTok has reached a settlement in the social media addiction lawsuit, averting a trial that could have set a significant precedent for tech companies. One battle after another leads BAFTA nominations, as one film breaks a record. Leonardo DiCaprio's One Battle After Another leads BAFTA nominations, setting a new record. The epic drama, filled with intense battles and DiCaprio's powerful performance, is a standout this season. Case of measles confirmed in Arizona ICE facility, CNN. A person in detention at an Arizona ICE facility has been diagnosed with measles, a highly contagious virus. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security confirms the case. Clackamas County warns of measles exposure at Kaiser Permanente Sunnyside Center, Katu.com. Clackamas County issues warning of measles exposure at Kaiser Permanente Sunnyside Center. Public urged to be vigilant. Officials warn of moderate risk after TB outbreak in SF High School, SFGATE. 3 active TB cases reported at Archbishop Riordan High School. Officials warn of moderate risk in San Francisco. Major study links being a night owl to higher heart attack and stroke risk, Science Alert. New study links being a night owl to increased risk of heart attacks and strokes. Snohomish County measles outbreak grows. Latest case linked to Mukilteo Church, ComoNews.com. Snohomish County measles outbreak expands. Latest case connected to Mukilteo Church. Health Department confirms 3 additional cases since outbreak declaration. Video. Golden Retriever puppy makes plans of her own when owner hits the tub, Yahoo! Golden Retriever puppy shows surprising independence by making plans of her own when her owner takes a bath. Doctors thought a 37-year-old had IBS. It was stage 3 colon cancer. Business Insider. 37-year-old's stage 3 colon cancer misdiagnosed as stress and IBS. Emphasizing the importance of accurate medical diagnosis. GLP-1 drugs don't work for everyone. But personalized obesity care in the future might, NPR. New research suggests a future of personalized obesity care. As doctors aim to understand why GLP-1 drugs don't work for half of those using them. This could revolutionize treatment, mirroring the personalized approach in cancer care. Tissue boxes. Binge watching and DoorDash. How you are making it through a record-breaking flu season, CNN. Amidst a record-breaking flu season, CNN shares stories of individuals battling flu symptoms, binge watching shows, and juggling work and family while confined to their homes. Exclusive. In major test for longevity field, FDA greenlights study on a near total reset of cells, endpoints news. FDA approves study on groundbreaking aging reversal gene therapy in vision loss patients. Discovered by David Sinclair at Harvard. Life Biosciences to lead the trial. Katie Price's husband Lee Andrews reveals why he didn't fly to the UK to reunite with her as promised. Katie Price's husband Lee Andrews reveals why he didn't reunite with her in the UK as promised. Despite the delay, Lee claims he is excited to return to the UK and reunite with his wife. Colorado snowplow crash kills van driver. Injures 8 with California girls hockey team. A Colorado snowplow collision with a California girls hockey team's van resulted in the van driver's death and injuries to 8 passengers. The crash occurred on Interstate 70. And the team, Santa Clarita Lady Flyers 1-2A, was en route to a tournament. Donations have raised over $35,000 for the affected families. Use Bet365 bonus code CBSBET365 to get $200 bonus bets by targeting Michigan State. Raptors Magic. New users can claim a $200 bonus bets offer from Bet365 with promo code CBSBET365. Utilize this offer for top picks in Michigan State college basketball matchup and NBA games like Raptors Magic and Nuggets Clippers. Pistons vs Warriors odds. Prediction. Spread. Time. 2026 NBA picks for Friday, January 30th from Proven Model. Detroit Pistons face Golden State Warriors in NBA clash on Friday, with the Warriors as 2.5-point favorites. The Sportsline projection model predicts over 224.5 points and projects Cade Cunningham to score 23.6 points for the Pistons, while Stephen Curry is projected to score 28.1 points for the Warriors. New users can access DraftKings or Bet365 promotions for added betting value. Senior citizen fixed deposit rates at 6.8 to 8.1%. Check offers by top banks. Senior citizen fixed deposit rates up to 8.1% are offered by small finance banks, making them the top choice for stable returns. Banks like Suryodaya, ESAF, and Utkarsh provide rates above 7.5%, with some offering over 8%. Private banks like HDFC, ICICI, and Axis Bank offer rates between 6.95% and 7.20%. How to download the new Aadhaar app? Can you update mobile number and address? The Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI, has launched a new Aadhaar app, enabling users to update their mobile number and address directly through the app. Key features include selective data sharing, offline Aadhaar verification, and family management. Learn how to download the app and update details. MTV_DL 0.27.2. The latest version of MTV-DL 0.27.2 has been released, allowing users to easily download content from Mediathek View. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Check expected launch date, India price, camera, design, chipset and more. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, set to launch in February 2026, promises design, camera, and performance improvements. Expected features include a 200 megapixels main camera, 6.9-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and a large battery. Release in India is anticipated by early March. Who is Jhansi Kanaba? India U14 star scripts history with Australian Open title. 14-year-old Jhansi Kanaba made history as the first Indian female to win the Australian Open U14 title, defeating Australia's Musamma Saleek in a thrilling comeback. Kanaba, a promising junior tennis player from Junagadh, Gujarat, showcased remarkable mental strength and composure to win the tournament. Indian women at workplaces, gig workers stuck in low-paying jobs. India's female labor force participation rate has risen significantly over the past 6 years, with West Bengal, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Andhra Pradesh leading the way. However, challenges such as limited mobility, lack of affordable housing, and rigid work arrangements persist, keeping many women in low-paying jobs. Meanwhile, India's gig workforce has surged to 12 million. But 40% of these workers earn below 15,000 rupees monthly. Sabalenka vs Rybakina. Clijsters predicts who will dictate the final. In the upcoming final, Sabalenka and Rybakina are predicted to deliver a blockbuster match. Kim Clijsters believes the player who can dictate points early on will have an advantage, with Sabalenka having the edge in movement and variety. Both players are expected to hit big and serve well, making for a high-risk contest. Sitting Detroit judge. Lawyer allegedly looted vulnerable wards. A sitting Detroit judge, a lawyer, and 2 other Detroit residents were charged for embezzling money from vulnerable adults under their care. The group allegedly misused funds, including purchasing assets and personal expenses, from over 1,000 wards they were appointed to manage by the Wayne County Probate Court. Ranking Giannis Antetokounmpo trade packages. Who can make best deadline offer? The Milwaukee Bucks are considering trading Giannis Antetokounmpo before the deadline. And we've ranked the most likely offers. The Golden State Warriors lead with a package that includes Jimmy Butler, 4 first-round picks, and draft swaps. Miami Heat and Minnesota Timberwolves also have attractive offers. But the Warriors' future draft picks are more valuable. Melania movie review. All the money in the world can't make good propaganda. In Melania, a biopic directed by Brett Ratner, the former First Lady takes viewer through the 20 days leading up to her husband's second inauguration. The film, however, is criticized for lacking drama and depth, with Melania's demeanor remaining inscrutable. The production is accused of propaganda, but falls short of Leni Riefenstahl's visual and hypnotic style. The film's focus on minutiae, such as fabric choices and dinner plans, leaves out important context and current events. Mega Millions numbers. Are you the lucky winner of Friday's $303 million jackpot? Tonight's Mega Millions jackpot soars to an estimated $303 million. Check your numbers. The lucky winner could be you. The cash option is about $136.7 million. FPL Focus. Last chance to play your final chip. With the Fantasy Premier League at its midpoint, this week presents the last opportunity for managers to play their free hit chip for potential game-changing moves. We saw Jason Derulo at Glasgow Hydro with star delighting fans old and new. Jason Derulo thrilled Glasgow's Hydro crowd on the Last Dance tour with energetic performance, delivering hits like Watcha Say and Riden Solo. Support act Kira, a rising dark pop artist, also impressed with her vocals and authenticity. Kendrick Lamar, Bad Bunny, Lady Gaga face off at Grammys. Kendrick Lamar, Lady Gaga, Bad Bunny Lead Album of the Year nominations at the 68th Grammy Awards. Lamar, Gaga, and Puerto Rican sensation Bad Bunny are aiming for their first Album of the Year win. Bad Bunny's Un Verano Sin Ti is the first Spanish-language album nominated for this prestigious award. The Grammys will air on Sunday. The Coupang probe is a South Korea-US diplomatic row in the making. A data breach at Coupang, South Korea's largest online retailer, has ignited a trade and diplomatic dispute between Seoul and Washington. Fears of discrimination against American tech firms have led to stern warnings from the US. Intensifying the dispute, the South Korean government is investigating Coupang, while the company lobbies in Silicon Valley and Capitol Hill, raising concerns over sovereignty and diplomatic tensions. How to watch Blue Jackets vs Blackhawks. Live stream NHL TV channel. Columbus Blue Jackets aim for fourth consecutive win against slumping Chicago Blackhawks. Tune in to Fubo for live streaming. Oil slips even as US winter storm curbs crude output. Winter storm in US reduces crude oil production, yet prices continue to fall. 1 in 5 Americans can't afford their heating bills this winter as people are blindsided by utility costs. 1 in 5 Americans struggle to pay heating bills amid winter storms and rising utility costs. Nvidia unveils AI models for faster, cheaper weather forecasts. Nvidia reveals AI models to accelerate and reduce costs of weather forecasting, promising more accurate predictions. Hundreds feared dead in attempt to cross Mediterranean during cyclone. Cyclone Harry claims up to 380 lives during Mediterranean crossing. Italian and Maltese authorities report 1 survivor found in the wreckage. Rainbow Weather raises $5.5 million to refine real-time weather forecasting. Climate tech startup Rainbow Weather raises $5.5 million for short-term High-precision weather forecasting. Focusing on hyperlocal, minute-by-minute forecasts. Investors include Yuri Gurshi, founder of Flow Health. Their mobile app offers 4-hour precipitation forecasts. Mercy unseats Avatar. Fire and Ash atop the box office on snow-blanketed weekend in theaters. Snowstorm leads to quietest weekend at the box office as Mercy dethrones Avatar. Fire and Ash. Winter storm leaves over 1 million customers without power across US. A massive winter storm has left over 1 million customers across the US without power, causing hazardous conditions and prompting warnings to stay off roads in regions from Texas to New England. Part of historic pier washed away during storm. Historic Tainbridge Pier partially collapses during today's storm, raising concerns about its structural integrity. How did Davos turn into a tech conference? Davos transformed into a tech-focused conference this year, with AI dominating discussions and source critical of trade policy. Traditional topics like climate change and global poverty took a backseat. Featured video. How tiny satellites help us track hurricanes and other weather events. MIT Lincoln Labs miniaturized microwave sounders transformed weather monitoring, enabling shoebox-sized CubeSats to track hurricanes and weather events hourly. The technology, now licensed by Tomorrow.io, aims to enhance global weather coverage for various sectors. Storm Chandra on the way, with danger to life warnings issued. A severe storm named Chandra is approaching, prompting danger to life warnings. Stay updated for further advisories. 40 years after Challenger, lingering guilt and lessons learned. NPR. Reflecting on the 40th anniversary of the Challenger disaster, NPR discusses the engineers' last-minute efforts to halt the launch, their lingering guilt, and the lessons learned that continue to impact NASA's safety protocols. Amazon's internet beaming satellites are bright enough to disrupt astronomical research. Study finds space. Amazon's LEO satellites, while not visible to the naked eye, could potentially disrupt astronomical research, as revealed in a new study. James Webb Telescope previews the death of the Sun in glorious new, Eye of God, image, live science. The James Webb Space Telescope unveils a stunning, Eye of God, image of a dying Sun-like star in the Helix Nebula, enriching the galaxy with elements vital for life. A glowing bar of iron is haunting the Ring Nebula, and no one knows why. Science alert. Astronomers discover a mysterious glowing bar of iron at the heart of the Ring Nebula, a celestial body known for 250 years. New DNA analysis rewrites the story of the Beachy Head Woman. Science Daily. A Roman-era skeleton, known as the Beachy Head Woman, has been reanalyzed, revealing new insights about her origins. Previously thought to be of sub-Saharan African or Mediterranean descent, the new DNA analysis challenges long-held beliefs. Mars atmosphere may hold the key to human survival. Scientists reveal. The Daily Galaxy. New study suggests Martian atmosphere could provide backup water source for future human missions. Breakthrough laser technique holds quantum matter in stable packets. Phys.org. Physicists create stable packets of quantum matter using a revolutionary laser technique, potentially paving the way for new studies in quantum physics. Scientists identify brain waves that define the limits of you. Science alert. New study reveals brain waves that determine personal boundaries, challenging our understanding of self. Discover the limits of you. Science alert. Scientific integrity theft by artificial intelligence. Avi Loeb, Medium. AI deception challenges scientists' integrity. Avi Loeb discusses his struggle to maintain credibility in the face of artificial intelligence manipulation.